Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be on the graph. Let's get to it. I did say around this area that this was going to possibly burst up. I was hella wrong. It did drop a bit due to that, that bleed that we had with Bitcoin. As we know, Bitcoin leads the market. Um, but I do see us in a run right now. I mean, I don't see um, this being a bearish movement at all, guys. I do see us in a pullback stage at the moment, but again, I'm hella bullish on this market. So we do see here that they kind of trapped in this little area. This could be a possible shift candle here. If this shift candle is true, if this really is a nice shift candle in this area here, then we could possibly see a movement upwards if they close above this shift candle. So we'll see how it goes. Again, I do see a little inverted playing out here, possibly in this little area. So we'll see how this plays out. But overall, I think this is still going to move bullish, guys. The graph is they have quite a few different things planned out this year. If you haven't done any research on them just yet, please check them out. I think it's a extremely undervalued project. So look into it right now. They're only at $1.80, 86 and change. I mean, it's still cheap. So this is going to continue moving, guys. I don't see this year being bearish at all. Again, I keep saying it over and over and over. We are in the States going to get the stimulus checks. We will also be receiving taxes. Some individuals may receive them around the same time. So I do believe that this market is going to continue in its bullish trend regardless of the little bearish pullback that's happening at the moment. It's just been a couple days of a pullback, but it's just a correction. Again, I think this market's going to move heavy. From here, we may even shoot up to this little 3-5 area just to kind of blow out all these stops and all these essentially stop losses that are possibly hidden up here in this area. So I think the market has to take them out before we continue. So I believe this is going to be a bullish move. We are still above 50 on RSI. Anything above 50 usually signifies a uptrend, a bullish trend. Anything under 50 will signify sometimes a bearish trend or downtrend. Of course, sometimes the bulls, bears, market makers, whoever it is, traps underneath those numbers. But overall, I do see this as a bullish move. I do see this heavy shift candle here. So we'll see how this candle that's playing out right now. We still got 22 hours and 40 minutes on this. So we'll see how this candle plays out. If it closes above this candle and this is truly a shift candle, then we can possibly see this continuing to the upside, guys. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, I'm very bullish on this market for the year, for actually the next couple of years. So we'll see how everything plays out. If you found this information useful, please make sure to smash that subscribe. Make sure to share, like, comment, but most importantly, tell a friend. Let them know, hey, this is helping me out. If it is, it may help them out too. And if you have any coins or any projects, any DeFi projects, any crypto projects you want reviewed, just let me know. Drop it in the comments. More than happy to get that done for you guys. So if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. But until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Peace.